Hey guys, so I'm officially up to tray 7. I never thought I'd see the day that the bottom teeth are separated from each other. Like, now to get it to perfection, I got 5 more trays. But I am loving, y'all know that I'm loving my results. And I really don't have nothing to say. So just keeping it cute and short. 5 more trays left. I'm up to tray 7. And yeah. I'm loving the progress. If you have any questions, you could hit me up. I'll be free to answer them for you. As always, I'm down to answer any questions. Bye, guys.